Sage CRM allows you to centralize templates for your company's letters, proposals, and other documents. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a document template in Sage CRM. So let's jump right in and get started. Please note that this example is based on Microsoft Word 2007. The steps we'll follow may vary slightly for other versions. For this example, we'll create a letter that we'll send to a customer after a support issue has been resolved. The first step is to make sure that you're in the context that you want the template to be associated with. So for this example, we'll open a case record because we want the template to have case merge fields. Let's find a case by going to My CRM and open the Cases tab and select a case. Now that we're in the context of a case, we can create our template. We'll right-click on New and select Document, and the Choose Letter Options page opens. We'll select Create New Local Template and click Continue. A blank Microsoft Word document now opens. For compatibility reasons, you'll need to configure Word so that the default file type for saving documents is the .doc format. To do this, we'll click the Office button, then Word Options, and on the left select Save, and then we'll choose to save files in the Word 97-2003 format. And now we'll save the change. Now looking at the document, you can see that the brief instructions tell us to insert our text and merge fields, so we'll first delete the instructions and then go up to the menu and make sure that the Mailings tab is selected, and then click Insert Merge Field, and a new window appears with a listing of Sage CRM merge fields. We'll first enter the person's first name, we'll add a space, and then the person's last name, and then hit Enter. And now the company name, and enter once again, then address 1, and we'll add a new line, and address 2, and a new line, and now city, and add a comma and a space, and now state, add a space, and zip or postal code. And on the reference line, we'll type case ID, and then add the case ID merge field. And now we'll type the salutation, and we'll copy the first name merge field, and then we'll paste the person's first name. And now to keep this tutorial moving along, let's cut and paste the body and closing from a document that was created earlier. And just a note before we move on, if you need merge fields that are not listed here, your system administrator can add them to the merge field list. Now you'll save the template to a directory on your local workstation. We'll click the Office button, then Save As, and we'll put it under My Documents in a Templates folder we've created, and let's name the file Case Closed. Now we'll click Save and close the file. Since the template is located on your workstation or laptop, it will only be available for your use as a local template. In a few moments, we'll show how you can make it available to all CRM system users as a shared template. But first we have one more step, which is disassociating the template from the data source. This will ensure that the template merges the data from the current context, which in this example will be cases. To do this, we'll reopen the document template, and you may receive a warning indicating that the data from the eWareMerge0.dat file will be placed in the document. Go ahead and click Yes if you receive this warning. Make sure the Mailings tab is selected and click on Start Mail Merge and select Normal Word Document and save and close the file. The document is now ready to be used as a local template, but again, it will only be available to you. To make the template available to all users as a shared template, we'll go to Administration, Email and Documents, Document Templates. Here you'll find a list of shared documents. To add the new template, click New and fill in the details on this screen, including type, category, entity, and a relevant description. Next, we'll browse to locate the template on our local workstation. We'll click Open and then Save. The template is now available to all users. Now let's go to a case screen and test our new shared template. We'll use the recent list to locate the case we opened at the beginning of this tutorial. To generate our letter regarding the closing of this case, we'll right-click New and select Document, and the default is to use a shared template, so we'll click Continue, and then click the link on our template, and there it is, ready for us to make any edits and print the document. Now at this point, it's important that you not close the document. You'll need to first return to CRM by clicking on its reference at the bottom of your screen, and now fill in the associated Communications Details page. We'll type Case Closed Letter, and then click Save, and a communication record is created to record that a letter was sent out, which is now part of the customer's interaction history. Importantly, when we save the communication, the Word document was automatically saved and closed for us. We can view the letter by opening the communication and clicking the attachment link. You can also edit the document further by going to the Document Library tab, clicking the link, and selecting Edit. So to recap, using templates will boost productivity and promote consistency in the documents that are sent to your customers. If you're already using Sage CRM, you can start building your template library today. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in Sage CRM. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.